Evaluation is an organised approach to collecting information about activities, impacts, and effectiveness. Evaluation is used worldwide to support governments, businesses, non-profit organisations, philanthropic foundations, academic institutions, and others. Evaluation helps us understand what works and what doesn't, and whether an effort is accomplishing its goals, monitor how an effort is progressing, identify opportunities for improvement, make decisions, ensure accountability, and reflect on our work. We can evaluate programs, projects, policies, budgets, people, partnerships, or any other tangible output. There are various approaches to evaluation, and each is designed to reflect what is being evaluated. Evaluation can happen at any point of time, and many evaluations work alongside the life of a project, policy, or partnership. The purpose of evaluating refugee programs is to better understand how people with lived refugee experience and other stakeholders, such as settlement workers, sponsors, researchers, government, and the broader community, are impacted by such programs, projects, policies, and partnerships. Evaluation specific to programs serving refugees and refugee claimants must clearly reflect cultural competency and awareness. This means that the evaluation recognises and reflects different viewpoints and diverse experiences and is conducted in a culturally appropriate way. The underlying theme of refugee programme evaluation is to assess whether or not individuals with lived refugee experience are being supported and whether they see improvements in livelihood and well-being. Here is an example. Let's say an agency has implemented a programme to connect individuals who arrive as refugees to affordable, adequate housing. While some individuals and families have been successfully housed through the programme, others have experienced challenges in finding or keeping their homes. In this case, evaluation would help programme facilitators and the host organisation better understand the extent to which this programme is helping these individuals find appropriate housing. While doing this evaluation, they would have to consider cultural practices that could influence the evaluation, language barriers, or any differences in communication styles. Doing an evaluation, specifically a culturally appropriate evaluation, would help collect information around whether or not the programme is working, whether or not the housing programme achieved its goals, what improvements can be made to the programme for higher success rates, and reflections and lessons learned. This information would then support any organisational decision-making related to the housing programme.